I should stop using my hand so much. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope आप सब ठीक होंगे and मैं भी ठीक हूँ. Quarantine कैसा चल रहा है आप लोगों का? I hope वो भी ठीक चल रहा हो. So I am gonna stop using my hand so much. So let's get started. आज की जो वीडियो है that I'm gonna film for an Eid look, and this beautiful dress that I got. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a beautiful dress which was sent to me by Vintage Works, और मैं उनका Instagram account I will link down in the description box, so you guys can go and check their amazing pieces out. I love wearing their joras. So today I'm gonna create an Eid look इसी के साथ कुछ compliment करते हुए. Let's see how this turns out. And the most exciting part is that I will be using all affordable products. Affordable नहीं कहना चाहिए. I will use all Pakistani brands and or comparatively there are cheaper products जो हैं that are easy on the pocket. So I will use those to create a full face of glam makeup. So let's see how this video turns out, how the look turns out. So don't forget to give your feedback and like the video if you like the makeup look. I can't talk. So let's get on with the video और मैं और बातें नहीं करूँगी. Okay, so the primer that I'm loving these days is by Entice Cosmetics, or this is also a Pakistani brand, a Pakistani owned brand. So this is their bubblegum primer, और ये primer बहुत अच्छा है for people who have more dry skin. लेकिन मेरी oily skin है. I use a tiny bit of it, but this really works well. So I will just take like a tiny dab of it, and people जिनकी dry skin है, this will prove to be really good for them because it's very hydrating, greasy नहीं होता, और it is super moisturizing. So yeah, can you see how it gives my skin a beautiful glow? Yeah, so let's move on to the next product. Okay guys, so unfortunately I do not have any corrector or concealer अभी इस वक्त मेरे पास. The things that I like to use from the local brands are Glam Girls by Mehwish Saqib का the corrector palette. So right now I'm using Mana Beauty, this skin focus foundation, and this is in the shade Ivory, and I will just apply this in the centers of my face. So this is Mana Beauty का contour, and I will contour सबसे पहले. This is a technique that J-Lo, Jennifer Lopez का जो makeup artist है वो use करता है. So what he does is कि वो सबसे पहले contour और highlight कर लेता है face को, जहाँ जहाँ पे contour करना होता है, like around the nose, around your forehead, under your cheekbones. So this is what he does, and then what he does is कि इसको हल्का सा blend करके, और oh my god I look so scary, so let me just blend it out and then I'll talk. So yeah, उसको blend करता है, और फिर उसके बाद इसके ऊपर he applies like a tinted moisturizer या you know a very light coverage वाली foundation, because नीचे हमने ground work तो सारा कर लिया होता है, just like that. So I will use like a tinted moisturizer on top of this, and that is from a brand called Elf जो पाकिस्तानी नहीं है, but it's still very affordable. So yeah, on top of this I'm gonna use that just to blend everything out, और ताकि कोई harsh edge ना रह जाए. So this is the e.l.f. tinted moisturizer that I'm talking about. You can even use your tinted sunscreen on top of it अगर दिन को कर रहे हैं makeup. So I will just shake that. Take a tiny bit of that on my hand. And I will just dip my sponge in it and I'll blend it all over top of my contour. Can you see कि अब कोई harsh edge नहीं नज़र आ रहा? So now you can see that my face even looks chiseled. At the same time, it looks dewy and it looks finished. So yeah, this is a very nice trick for you to use your tinted moisturizers or जो आपकी foundations बहुत thin coverage होती हैं. So this is ideal for summers. So let me just get my hair out of the way. Okay, so फेस हमारा हो गया है अब, और अब हम करेंगे इसको सेट. और सेट करने के लिए आई विल यूज़ ब्यूटीफाई बाय आमना का ट्रांसलूसेंट लूज सेटिंग पाउडर. सिर्फ इसका प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इसको पकड़ के टैप करना पड़ता है, वरना ये पूरा अंदर से निकल आता है. और आई कांट बिगिन टू टेल यू कि मेरे कितने मिसहैप्स हो चुके हैं ये वाले. सो आई विल टैप सम आउट and I will set my face. So I will use Beautify by Amna का ही Tan Bond bronzer and I'll use the same brush. Okay, so the next thing that I'm super excited about is this Cheek Fleek palette. This is from TT Cosmetics, which is also one of our local brands, and I'm super proud of her. This is a beautiful palette. It has two blush shades, एक contour color है, and she has 3 shades of highlighters. So I'll just show you how the swatches look like. They're very, very blinding. So you guys know how much I love blush. और अब haters आ जाएंगे मेरे पीछे, but I do not care because I love blush and I will put on as much as I like. But at the same time, I won't let it be patchy. So I always love to take some blush across my nose because it makes you look more youthful. Yeah, and now I will apply some highlighter, which is my favorite part. So किसका favorite part होता है? I think सभी का होगा. This is a lame question. So the brush that I will use, the one that I have right now, is by Beautify by Amna, and this is their tapered face brush. So I will tap it in all 3 colors. And yeah, I mean, can you see that? Wow. It's blinding, actually blinding. Wow. Oh my god. This I give a thumbs up. So I might go a little overboard, so I need to stop myself right now. and I want to get on with the eyes now, इससे पहले कि बहुत देर हो जाए और अफ्तारी का टाइम हो जाए. So I am going to prime my eyes using the same foundation because it's very thick and full coverage. Also because I do not have any primer right now. Although I love Luscious का primer, which is amazing, but unfortunately I don't have it right now. वो मैं अपने studio में रखती हूँ and I love using that. But once this lockdown eases out and let's just hope that the vaccine comes soon and the virus goes away, because I think बहुत हो चुका है अब सबके साथ, enough हो गया है. So let's get on with the eyeshadow now. And for the eyeshadow palette, I was torn between two palettes because दो ऐसे palettes हैं जो I really like and I love using because they're local and plus because their quality is very good. I'm not kidding you all. So one palette that I really like is, of course, Zephyr. But this is Show and this has all these beautiful brights. This is a palette that I think everybody should have. This is a beautiful palette. It has very beautiful shimmers, very creamy mattes, and you guys can see what it looks like. All the matte colors. Oh god, yeah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this one today. I'm gonna speed up the eyes because otherwise it'll take too long. So now it's time for the lips और मैं अपना signature look करने लगी हूँ, the one that you guys always keep on asking कि मैं किस तरह करती हूँ. So for that I am using two products. Let me show you कौन सी, if I can find them. This new setup is a little overwhelming. So the first product that I'm going to use on my lips is by Fa Beauty, and this is their lip color in the shade Pisces. Apply this all over my lips. This is a beautiful lip color. I really like it. The formula is also very creamy, very smooth, opaque है. एक दफ़ा में full coverage लग गई है, and I really like it. So this I apply सबसे पहले, and then I will take any dark colored lipstick. I have a lip crayon that I really like. This is from I don't know, this is a random Korean lip crayon. So what I do is I just take and I dab a tiny bit on the centers. Just like that. Okay guys, and then I take, this is how the lips look like, and then I will take TT Cosmetics ke hi what are they called? These are their lip glosses, lip shimmers, whatever you call them, liquid lipstick. दैट्स लेम ऑफ मी. ओके, सो इन दोनों में से कोई भी आप लगा सकते हैं. आई विल अप्लाई थोड़ा सा सिल्वरिश बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज यू नो काइंड ऑफ कूल टोन्ड. These are beautiful lip glazes. So there you go guys, we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. और अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ गिव इट अ थम्स अप, शेयर करें फ्रेंड्स के साथ, और you know comment below whatever you want to see next and I will film it for you guys. And I'm super excited to share my local brands, my local Pakistani brands with you all, and I want to truly support them because हमारा local business should be supported because I think we can make best products in the whole world if we want to. So I think we are done for today. Enough blabbering, and yeah, I will see you all again with another Eid look. I will be filming one more Eid look for you all. So comment below किस तरह की Eid look देखना चाहते हैं आप लोग. And yeah, I will talk to you all later. Bye.